Welcome to Transportation, Air, and Water. In this lesson, we will explore 5 different types of vehicles that help people travel. We will learn about airplanes and helicopters that fly through the air, and boats, ships, and ferries that travel on water. Each of these transportation methods has its own special features and uses. Let's begin our journey. An airplane is a large aircraft with wings that carries many passengers and cargo across long distances. Airplanes have a big metal body and 2 or more powerful engines. They can carry more than 100 people at the same time. Airplanes fly very fast through the sky, making them perfect for traveling between cities and countries. A helicopter is a special aircraft with a large rotating blade on top. Unlike airplanes, helicopters can take off straight up into the air without needing a runway. They can also hover in one place without moving. Helicopters are smaller than airplanes and carry fewer passengers. They are very useful for rescue missions and reaching difficult places. A boat is a small watercraft designed for travel on water. Boats can use sails or motors to move. They are much smaller than ships and carry only a few passengers. Boats can travel in shallow water and are perfect for fishing, recreation, and short trips. Many people enjoy boating on rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. A ship is a very large vessel made of steel that travels across oceans and seas. Ships have powerful engines and can carry thousands of passengers and enormous amounts of cargo. They are designed for long-distance travel and can handle deep ocean waters. Ships connect different countries and are essential for international trade and travel. A ferry is a passenger vessel that runs regular scheduled routes across water. Ferries connect different locations, like cities and islands. They can carry medium to large numbers of passengers. Ferries offer affordable transportation for daily commuters and travelers. Many people use ferries for their regular journeys across water. Let us compare air and water transportation. Airplanes are very fast, traveling at more than 500 miles per hour. Ships and boats are slower, traveling at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Airplanes are expensive, but ferries and boats are more affordable. Airplanes are perfect for long distances, while water transportation works best for short to medium distances. Each type of transportation serves different purposes and needs. Let us review the key vocabulary we learned. Airplane is a powered aircraft with fixed wings for transporting passengers. For example, the airplane departed at 9 in the morning. Helicopter is a rotorcraft that can take off vertically and hover. For example, the helicopter landed on the rooftop. Boat is a small watercraft for recreation or short journeys. For example, we took a boat across the lake. Ship is a large vessel for ocean voyages. For example, the ship sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. Now you know 5 important types of transportation and how they work.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.